Bismillah, salatu salam ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We meet again in the sacred month of Ramadan. So, Allahumma ahillahu alayna bil amni wal imani wal salamati wal islam. Rabbi wa rabbuka Allah hilala rushdin wa khairin bi'idhnillah. As usual, we are going to deal with lessons, but this time I'm going to tackle second year. Sequence 2, me and my shopping, plural nouns, okay, a little bit, let's say, complex lesson. So I'm going to go step by step in order to understand all the cases. You're still dealing with your online teacher of English, Mr. Labid Radwan. Let's start with Nila. So let's start with definition. What is a noun? Ism. Every word is a part of a speech and has a role in our language. The biggest star of English language is the noun because it names thing, تسمي الأشياء. A noun names person, place, thing, feeling, idea, or any concept. Now, we have a question. Are all nouns the same? The answer is no, of course. There are different types or classes of nouns. For example, we've got proper nouns, أسماء علم, common nouns, أسماء عامة, okay, abstract nouns, مجردة, count and non-count nouns, compound nouns, gerund, collective nouns. Now, the lesson is between singular and plural nouns. So, what is singular nouns? Singular means one. Okay, a singular noun refers to only one person, one place, or one thing. Plural noun means two or more than two. Plural noun refers to more than one person, one place, or one thing. For example, here we have one car, singular. We've got two cars, okay? Now, how can we change, for example, from singular to plural nouns? How to form, to shape plural nouns? Singular nouns can be changed into plural nouns using different rules. Most plural nouns in English are regular. That means you can simply add s or es to make them plural. To form regular plurals, follow these rules. Okay, for example, we've got window, windows, one plate, two plates, one cat, three cats, one lamp, maybe 100 of lamps. Okay, this is for regular nouns. Now we've got nouns, or one noun ends in s, z, sh, x, sh, and the ch. So here you add es to make them plural. This is because it's difficult to pronounce an s after these letters since they have a similar sound. For example, bus, buses, bus, buses, box, boxes, wish, wishes, bench, benches. Now, if a noun ends in a consonant followed by y, then change y into I and add es to make them plural. Y, for example, berry, berries, baby, babies, sky, skies. Here we accept two vowels, but let's see the next slide. If a noun ends in a vowel followed by y, add s to make them plural. Here we cannot add three vowels. We cannot put I, E, then y. Okay, so we have to add s simply. Two toys, they, days, essay, essays. Now, if a noun ends in a consonant consonant followed by o, add es to make them plural. For example, hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes, volcano, volcanoes. Now, of course, as usual, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, solo, solos, piano, pianos, memento, mementos, halo, halos. If a noun ends in a vowel followed by o, add s to make them plural. For example, studio, studios. Okay, we cannot put three vowels I, O, E, S. Studio, studios. Cameo, cameos. Portfolio, portfolios. Now we've got words end in f or fe. You change the f or fe to v and add es to make them plural. For example, shelf, shelves, half, halves, knife, knives, thief, thieves, wife, wives. And of course, as usual, we've got some exception to this rule. For example, roof, roofs, safe, safes, grief, grieves, kerchief, kerchiefs, chef, chefs. Now, the last part is irregular nouns. Some nouns change, some don't. So let's start with those the nouns that change in a few letters or complete spelling. So you have to memorize them, you have to learn them by heart. For example, man, 1 man, 2 men, 1 foot, 3 feet, 1 tooth, 10 teeth, 1 mouse, an animal, mice. Plural. Woman, women. Okay, so we change just the E, but the pronunciation of O is going to be E. Women. Child, children. 1 person, people. Now, then some nouns are the same, both singular and plural nouns. Okay, so they don't change. For example, deer, deer, sheep, sheep, fish, fish, series, series. Now, thank you for your watching. Please subscribe in order to get more lessons for the next days, inshallah. Take care. بصحة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.